Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing this morning? Oh, it's a beautiful morning. The rain stopped. It rained for a good 2, 3 days. Actually, it's supposed to rain today. That's what the news said. But they're usually wrong. So we shall see. I think they said it's supposed to rain in about 3 hours. So that gives me a few hours to be able to come out here and show you guys a few things that's going on here at the tiny little homestead, I guess you could say, or I'll just say the tiny backyard. But anyway, I have some good news. Yesterday, follow me. I came down here to the grape plant that I didn't know was alive. I thought it was all dead, to be honest with you. I purchased some grapes from Costco. I want to say early, mid-April, mid to late April. And of course, you only get, when you buy things, grapes, berries and stuff from Walmart, Costco, these box stores, Tractor Supply, they come in the bag. The roots come in that bag. They're not potted or anything like that. And a lot of times you just get a stick that's sticking out of the bag. Well, I figured, okay, that's cool. I bought two. It was a two for, I want to say $13 or something like that at Costco. And they're green grapes. We haven't had any grapes before. This is our first time actually doing grapes. And when I bought the grapes, one of the grapes already had vegetation growing from it. It already had green leaves and the green vine growing from it. The other grape, it was just a stick. So I thought to myself, okay, wonderful. Sooner the better I can get these bad boys in the ground, the better it is. But the problem is we were still going through these frost spells. Every week we were having a frost. So I waited for a good, I don't know, 2.5, maybe 3 weeks before putting these things in the ground. After we put them in the ground, we had another two frosts. I'm saying we had another two or something frosts. And I quickly noticed when I put them in the ground, particularly after the first frost, I noticed the green on it it died off fast. Fast. So I'm thinking, oh boy, here we go. My grapevines are dead. So I'm going out actually looking for more grapevines, just to replant or whatever, because I'm thinking they're dead. But my wife, she gave me some very good, very good information. So I came out and just kind of spoke over them a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You will live and not die. And speak over your plants and stuff. Well, one of them died, but yesterday I saw some life in the other one. Let me show you what we got here. I'm excited. This will be our first grapevine. Here we are. This bad boy right here. Now, the reason I have all this vegetation around this grapevine is because I thought it was dead. That's the only reason. And I wasn't going to do anything about it. I was actually going to pull it up if it didn't do anything sometime next week. But when I saw these leaves, look how beautiful they are. When I saw these leaves, I said to myself, I think we have some stuff going. I think we got some grapes going. It's looking good. It popped off the side of this thing, right at the base. Popped off right at the side at the base. So that is beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear all this out, put some cardboard down here, put some mulch on top of this bad boy, and let her rip. Let her rip. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Beautiful, beautiful. This one over here. This one here is gone. This bad boy right here. I scraped the side of it, and that's what I got, brown. That's, I put it in here good too. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Dead. Yeah, that's where I scraped it. It was nothing but brown. So, but we got one. We got one. That's all that matters. We got one. So I am pleased. I am pleased. I am so pleased. Oh, we're gonna have some grapes eventually. Oh my, yes. That makes me, I mean, it just when things work the way you want it to, I mean, we don't have grapes yet, but when things start to flow the way you want it to flow, it just feels good. It really does. All right, so let me get some cardboard, a bucket of mulch, some wood chips. That's kind of my mulch right now. And let me get my hand trowel so I can start digging up these weeds. Okay, so I got my pieces of cardboard, and what I'm going to do is I don't want to put my cardboard down dry, you know. I want to wet it. So I want to kind of soak it a little bit. So I have my rain barrels, and I'm going to dunk this cardboard in the rain barrel water, okay? That way they can get nice and soaked with water, and then I'm going to put them down in the grass. Oh, if you hear a lawnmower in the background, that's my neighbor. All right, so I got 3 water barrels here, and got some good old cardboard right here. Put that one in here. Put that in there as well. I couldn't find what I was looking for. I guess my wife has it somewhere. I don't know. But I got my trusty little shovel, so we'll use that. This is where it goes into the ground right here. Separate it. There we go. Is that a piece? No, that is a weed. Separate everything that is real close to that stick going in. There we go. Now, there we go. I don't want to damage the grapevine, so I'm going pretty slow here. And see, it just rained for 3 days, but 2 to 3 days, something like that. And this ground is real soft, so it's beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see. Now, what I will do, we have ourselves some separation from the grass. We got a little dirt area. You can see that. So now, I will put my cardboard around this stick here, cut off, and all this will be covered. I'm not even gonna try, I ain't even gonna do anything with this stuff right here. This will be covered, and it'll die underneath all that cover. I already got worms down in here. Looking good. The ground is nice. So let's grab the cardboard and oh, another worm. Go down here, buddy. Oops. I kind of cut him in half. My bad. All right. Got the cardboard. This grass has been in the rain. It's nice and soaked now. Throw some of this in here. want to cover my little leaf down there. There. That'll work. That'll work. Now let's cover it up. Like so. Now, if any of you professionals are watching this, what are some of the things I might be able to do a little bit better? I'm always trying to learn. Okay, what is this? That's nothing. I always want to learn. There we go. There we go. Now we talking. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and just put the mulch down. I'm not gonna worry about making it bigger. I'm gonna go ahead and put the mulch down, which in my case is gonna be wood chips, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys, we are back at it. Took a little break, talked to the neighbor a little bit. He's trying to get his grass cut before it rains again, which is understandable. So let's go ahead and put this down. Now, I've had these wood chips in a pile for probably over a year. May not be that long, but close to it. Close to it. And let's see here. They're starting to, I mean, they look, see how they look. Look at that. They've broken down into some good, compost. I mean, really, if you can wait that long. Now, I know some people do the hot compost and all that. I want to learn how to do that. The hot compost. I think it'd be very beneficial. And that's just me. All right, I think I need another. All right, let's clear that. Let that leaf breathe. There we go. There we go. All right, let me get another bucket. Okay, I got the second bucket. Now let's dump that right there. Cover up all the cardboard. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. All right, we got our donut looking good. Now we just let this bad boy do what it do. That leaf get you. Well, I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right, it's looking good. You know, to be honest with you, I don't know if I need to wet it because the ground is already so saturated because it rained for 2-3 days. So I'm not gonna wet it today. I'm gonna wait until maybe tomorrow or a couple days from now. Just kind of see what it looks like. All we gotta do now is just let nature do what nature do.